Yes. Everyone see, first I am going to start the class. So what is the yesterday? We have to hide orthogonal matrix. I will write at the time it will be cut. So today, what is the orthogonal matrix, idempotent matrix, involuntary matrix, nilpotent I will tell, equality matrix, addition of the matrix, multiplication also I will tell. Next, immediately I will start the 3.2 exercise. Okay, na? Right, see the. So already we have videos of the pending of the inverse trigonometric function. I will send, don't worry about that one. Once again, I am telling that one. I am preparing very simple process by the substitution method only. I will send it immediately. Okay, na? Right. Orthogonal matrix, write down. Orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. Everyone see orthogonal matrix mean, so A into A transpose. A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to identity matrix. Is equal to identity matrix. Okay, na? Is equal to identity matrix. This is called orthogonal matrix. Next step is A comes on this side, A inverse. Identity matrix multiply with any identity element, already we discussed. Multiply with any. So here also identity matrix multiply with any matrix is the same matrix. Is the same matrix. Therefore, they have to be right. A, now see. A into A transpose is equal to I. A bring on this side. A transpose is equal to I by A. A by A, we can write it as A inverse. So identity into any matrix is the same matrix. Sometimes they will give in the object to A. A transpose is equal to A inverse. That is also orthogonal matrix. That is also orthogonal matrix. This point is clear, Nama? So one step you should be remember this one. One more you should be remember this one, orthogonal matrix. Right. Next one, idempotent matrix. Second one is the idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. So this condition should be remembered, everyone. So you have to be, so always remember this condition, because of they are asking in JE and the KSET, one question is compulsory out of 4, these 4. Okay, idempotent matrix is, so A square is equal to A. Here also A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix. This point should be remembered. No question of rectangular matrix. A is a square matrix. Here also, so A square is equal to A. So A is a square matrix. So this condition is called, so this condition is called, what is the idempotent matrix? A square is the same A. So that is called idempotent matrix. Okay, na? So third one is involuntary matrix. Involuntary matrix. Involuntary matrix. Involuntary matrix mean, what is the condition should be remembered. What is the condition for involuntary matrix is A square is equal to I. So this is called where A is a square matrix. 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 Always we are discussing about the square matrices only. No question of a rectangular matrix. Okay, na? Square matrices. Last one, nilpotent. Nilpotent matrix. nilpotent matrix. What is this matrix? Is a number of times multiplication. A power of m is equal to 0. So a power of m is equal to 0. M is the number of multiplication. A into a square. M is the 2. A into a cube. M is equal to 3. So a power of m is equal to 0. So where m is the positive minimum positive integer. Minimum, we should take not maximum. Minimum positive integer. Minimum value, because of a square is also 0, a cube also 0, a power of 5 also 0, but we take minimum. A cube is a 0. Well, minimum value should be taken. Okay, na? Everyone observe. Minimum value should be taken. Right. M is called index. M is called index of the. M is the index. M is the index. M is the index means power. Index. M is called index. And A is always square matrix only. A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix. Correct? A is a square matrix. So these definitions are not necessary. Only problems we are going to check. Okay, na? In objective, I will explain all problems. Okay, na? So orthogonal matrix, idempotent matrix, and voluntary involuntary matrix, nilpotent matrix. You should be remember these all points, most important points. Okay, na? Next point is equality of two matrices. 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 Two matrices are said to be equal. Two matrices are said to be equal. 2 points should be remembered. What is the 2 points? Is order must be equal. First order is equal. Equality of the two matrices means first point is order is equal. Second point is corresponding elements are equal. Okay, na? First point is order is equal. When we say the two matrices are equal, means two matrices are equal. First point is order is same. Order is same. First point. Second point, order is same. Then we go through the corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding position elements are equal. Corresponding position elements are equal. Elements are equal. Elements are equal. Right. Now I will write example is CMI everyone. So first X, A, B, Y is the one matrix is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is the another matrix. Two matrices are equal mean. First observe order is how many rows is 2 rows. How many vertical lines is columns is the 2 columns. Here also 2 rows, right? And how many columns is the 2 columns? 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, na? 2 rows and 2 columns. So now I am writing the correct. Here is X, A, B. X, A, B, Y is equal to now first point is order is equal or not equal, order is equal. Immediately corresponding position elements are equal. Correct, ma. Abhay, correct. Corresponding position, first position element is equal to first position element, x is equal to 1. Second position element is equal to a is equal to 2. Third position element is a b is equal to 3. Fourth position elements is y is equal to 4. First, understand? So two matrices are equal. Immediately keep in our mind is, so order is same, order is same, order is same. Okay, now corresponding position elements are equal. Position elements are equal. First position element is equal to the first position element. Second position element is equal to the second position element. Point is catch now, everyone. So to next, addition and subtraction of the two matrices. To addition of or subtraction, both are same. Addition or subtraction. So addition or subtraction of matrices. Number of matrices we can take. So not only here, first point is order is same. So addition or subtraction of the matrices. First point is how many matrices we have. All the matrices order is same. First point. Second point, add corresponding position elements. So add corresponding element. Second point is add corresponding position element, or add or subtract. Add or subtract. So add or subtract. Second point is add or subtract corresponding position element. First order is same or not same, or you can observe. First order is same or not. In how many elements we have no objection. How many matrices we have no objection. Okay, here number of matrices no objection. So here is, so first one 1, 2, 3, 4, and next one also 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one also next one P, Q, R, S. How many matrices we can write? No objection. Corresponding position element. First orders are equal or not equal? See, first all orders are equal. Okay, na? First all orders are equal. First position element 1. Here is the 1. Here is the 5. Here is the P. Add new matrix C. New X plus 1 plus 5 plus P. First position element should be add. Second position element A. Second 2. And in this matrix 6. In this matrix Q. Okay, na? Second position element C is add. First position elements addition. Second position corresponding position element add or subtract corresponding position elements. Okay, na? Third position B. Here is the 3. Here is the 7. Here is the R. Fourth position Y. Here is the 4. Here is the 8. Here is the S. Okay, na? So add or subtract corresponding position elements. Okay, na? Now this problem is, so X plus P plus 6. This is A plus Q plus 8. This is B plus R plus 10. This is Y plus S plus 12. Okay, na? So this is add. First point is by the equality of the matrices mean immediately order is the same. Order is the same. Corresponding elements positions are equal. Equality of the order is same, then corresponding position elements must be equal. Yeah, addition or subtraction, order is same. Order is same. Don't forget that one. Order is same. Okay, na? Then add or subtract corresponding position element. First position element is the one add. Second position element is add. Third position element should be add. Fourth position element should be add. Okay, na? So now next one is we go. I will write one more problem. We can see, Amma. I will write one more example. A is equal, example number 2. Amma. A matrix is equal to 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 9. Okay, na? Now B matrix C. B matrix C. Now see. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, minus 4, 0. Okay, na? Next. Now you should be find if find now see 2a plus 3b, 2a plus 3b, and one more matrix also will write C matrix is equal to minus 6, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 4. Okay, na? C matrix also I will write, Amma. So now I will write minus 5C. One more point is came over here. Multiplication of a scalar. So multiplication of a scalar. Multiplication of a scalar. Scalar means constant. Multiplication of a constant. Multiplication of a constant means every element of the matrix multiply with the same constant. Now see, 2a plus 3b plus minus 5 into C, like this one right now. Okay, na? 2a, 2 into A matrix, that is a 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 9. Okay, na? Plus 3 into B matrix. What is a B matrix? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, minus 4, 0. Plus minus 5 into C matrix. So minus 6, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 4. Okay, na? So multiplication of a constant of the matrix. So this is called scalar multiplication. Any scalar multiplication is same. So multiply the scalar to the every element of matrix. Yeah, multiply the scalar by the every element of the matrix. That means 2 multiply with 2, 2 multiply with 0, 2 multiply with 0. I will write here. Everyone observe. I am writing here. Can I write here? No problem. Here can I write? Now see. Everyone is 2 into 2. So 0 into 2, 0 into 2, next 0 into 2, minus 5 into 2, and 0 into 2. Okay, na? So 0 into 2, 0 into 2, 9 into 2. So multiply. Scalar multiplication means scalar should be multiply every element of the matrix. Next 3 multiply one. Next one 3. So 1 into 3 plus into 0 into 3 into 0 into 3. Next 0 into 3. Next 1 into 3. Next 0 into 3. Next 0 into 3 minus 4 into 3. Next 0 into 3. Okay, na? Right. Scalar multiplication means scalar multiplication is the every element must be multiplied with the scalar. Minus 5 multiplication. Minus 5 multiplication, everyone see. So I am writing here minus 5 multiplication. Minus 5 multiplication. Minus 5 multiply. Minus 5, minus 6 into minus 5, 0 into minus 5, 0 into minus 5. Next, 0 into minus 5, 3 into minus 5, and 0 into minus 5. Next, 0 into minus 5, 0 into minus 5, and 4 into minus 5. Okay, na? 4 into minus 5. Right, everyone. Now multiplication, write down, add. So all matrices should be add. So because of all are have the same order, first one multiplication is 4, 0, 0, 0 minus 10, 0, 0, 0, 18. Next, second one multiplication is so 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0 minus 12, 0. Next, plus now multiply. So that is the 30, 0, 0, 0 minus 15, 0, 0, 0 minus 20. Right. Correspond now add corresponding elements is add. Then we get 4 plus 3 plus 30, 42. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 0. Okay, next, 0, 0, 0 is the 0. Minus 10 plus 3 minus 15 minus 20 minus 22. 0. Next, 0, 0, 0. Okay, na? 0. Next, 0 minus 12, 0 minus 12. 18, 0 minus 20 minus 2. Right. So this is the required answer. So one more point is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. Immediately write down. So I will write note point. Scalar multiplication means scalar is multiplied to the every element of the matrix. So note point. The scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. Scalar means constant. Scalar multiplication. Multiplication. Scalar multiplication. Sorry, note point I will write. Here is note point I will write. Note point is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. So scalar multiplication means every element of the matrix multiply with the scalar. K into A matrix. K is the scalar. So into matrix is the A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. So now, so scalar is multiplied to the every element of the matrix. So that is the A1 into K, B1 into K, C1 into K, A2 into K, B2 into K, and C2 into K, A3 into K, and B3 into K, C3 into K, and the matrix means closed bracket. Matrix means compulsory closed bracket. Okay, na? Scalar multiple. Last step, Seema explains are okay. Last step, right, Sima. 4 plus 3 plus 30. 4 plus 3 plus 30. 4 plus 30 plus 4 plus 4, 37. Sorry, this is the 37. I'm sorry. This is the 37. Okay. Sorry for that one. 37. Correct. Preeti, correct. Yes, 37. First, second element, 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is the 0. Sima point is understanding. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is the 0. Third element also. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is the 0. Minus 10, minus 3, minus 15, minus 22. Okay, na? 0 plus 0 plus 0 is the 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is the 0. 0 minus 12 plus 0 is the minus 1. 18 plus 0 minus 20 is the minus 2. Point is understand, Sima? Okay. Yes, yes. So scalar multiplication also clear, everyone? We are go through the last multiplication of the two matrices. This is the most important. Don't get confusion. So if you any get means, you should be practice some problems. If we are perfect in multiplication mean, so matrices is one. No other point is difficulty in the matrix, but only one point is difficulty, that is the multiplication. Only one is the difficulty, that is the multiplication. If we are catch the point, means very simple. I will write on the board with the clear explanation. So I will give 1 or 2 problems as a homework. You should be practice and tell, and you have to put the answers in WhatsApp. I will check. If it is the correct or wrong, anyone do wrong mean, once again, I will explain. Okay, na? Right, see the. Multiplication of matrices. Everyone put the thing is multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. This is the very, very important one. Multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. This is the most important and difficulty concept. So this is the only difficulty concept in matrices. If we are perfect in this one name, matrices part is completed. So very carefully observe. Very carefully observe. Okay, na? Matrices part is very simply, it should be completed. I will multiplication of two matrices means, so first matrix rows multiply with the second matrix columns. Okay, na? First rule is, what is the condition for multiplication? First condition for multiplication, write down. Condition for multiplication. Condition for multiplication. Condition for multiplication. What is the conditioning? So A be the one matrix, its order is M by N, and into B the another matrix. So multiplication, B the another matrix, its order is N by P. So this is the order, we say that M, first one is indicating the rows, second one indicating the column. Rows means horizontal line, number lines. Columns means vertical number lines. So horizontal number lines and matrices is the one of the real number solving by straight line. So horizontal lines and vertical lines. These are the vertical line. These are the point of intersection. This point of intersection only we are taking. These are in the horizontal line and vertical lines also. These are horizontal line and vertical lines. So horizontal lines are called rows. This is the R1. This is the R1, this is the R2, this is the R3, row 1, row 2, row 3. This is called column 1, C1, C2, C3. Vertical lines are called columns, horizontal lines are called rows. Okay, na? So here the first one is indicating the rows in by, second one is indicating the columns. Okay, na? Order is M by N. Order is equal to M by N means first one indicating the rows and second one indicating the columns. Okay, na? Right. So condition is the columns of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second matrix. The columns of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second matrix. I will tell in simple, there is the textbook. Columns of the first matrix is equal to the rows of the second matrix. So columns of the row condition, what is the one? Columns of the first matrix. Columns of first matrix is equal to rows of the second matrix. Rows of second matrix. Rows of second matrix. This is the textbook rule, Amma. So textbook, what they are giving the rows of second matrix. Okay, na? Second matrix. How can you remember, sir? We are getting the doubt. Inners are equal multiplication. See, inner numbers are equal. External numbers are not equal. What is